The rental market's a very different kettle of fish to the established property market. At the moment, the rental market is riddled by very low supply and very strong demand for rental accommodation, particularly in the major capital cities. And this looks set to continue in 2023. We're seeing more and more people migrate to Australia. Most migrants that come to Australia don't have a property to live in, they need to rent for a while. We're also seeing fewer first home buyers in the market as well, which means more demand for rental accommodation. And that supply of rental stock is still very low. We're seeing a low level of investor purchasing in the market at the moment. And we're seeing more people that own investment properties sell those properties as well. So it's a very challenging market for renters, and one in which, particularly in the major capital cities, we expect rents to continue to escalate in 2023. We do expect that the rental market in regional areas will start to ease off, and that's because people that moved regionally during the pandemic will either start to move back to the capital cities, adding to rental demand in those areas, or they'll look to purchase a property in those regional markets. And again, that will see the demand for rental stock ease off a little bit. In the capital cities though, what we're going to continue to see is an escalation in rental demand, particularly in inner city areas, as cities come back to life and people have a higher level of comfort living in more dense areas of the capital cities. We're also seeing a very large gap between house rents and unit rents, and that's likely to drive more people to want to rent a unit as opposed to a house, just as rental affordability pressures become more prevalent.